On this video, I will be showing you guys a really simple DIY that you can do when you finish using your candles from Bath & Body Works or any other company. All you need is a glue gun, knobs, and I got these cute little knobs from Big Lots. They were only like $8. And some adhesive diamond wrap. Okay, so I finished the last little bit of this linen sheets candle by Bath & Body Works. As you can see, there's only a little bit of wax left in it. So what I'm going to do now is take a hot boiling cup of water and pour into the candle. Once you've poured it in there, you're going to see it bubble just a little bit. What you're going to want to do is let it sit there until it gets hard and cool like this. And then you're just going to pop that baby right out of there. Now, instead of wasting this wax, what you can do is take this wax, break it down, put it inside of a wax warmer, and it smells just as great. Or you can melt it down and make your own personal wax melts. Now, I'm going to take these little bitty things that holds the wick down completely out. And then what you're going to want to do is wash it out really, really good. Get all that wax up out of there. I'm using some Oxy soap and then just scrub until it's all out. Some people may not realize, but this is nothing but paper, guys, that's wrapped around this glass container. So what you're going to want to do is rip it off as best as you can. As you can see, I had some difficulties when ripping it off. It was very snug, but once you cut it, you should be able to just pull it right off without a problem. And of course, don't forget to take off the sticker on the bottom. Now I'm taking my cute little diamond or crystal, whatever you want to call it, and I'm putting some hot glue on the bottom of that knob. Now take your knob or your diamond knob, whichever one you have, and place it in the middle of the top. And it should look just like this. Now I'm taking my diamond adhesive wrap and I'm going to place it on the top around the knob. There's no right or wrong way to do this, guys. So just place it how you want to place it. What I'm doing is placing it on there, then cutting the excess off. But I hate to waste it, so I'm going to use the excess that I have before cutting any new pieces. Now I'm going to finish the last few little pieces and then I'll be right back. Isn't this just beautiful? I absolutely love it. So now you're going to take some heat and you're going to apply it around the side of the top because you want it to be smooth. You don't want it to be raggedy because it can come loose and then that won't be pretty. Okay, now we're done. The last step is patting yourself on the back. It came out beautiful. You can pop the top off and put it back on with no problem. I'm placing some Q-tips in my container. You don't have to use Q-tips, of course. You can use anything that you want to use that may be in your bathroom. I chose Q-tips because we have a million of them. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Now you can place your pretty little DIY in your bathroom for all your visitors to see. As you can see, I've replaced my original knobs with some more crystal knobs to match my DIY, and it came out perfect. I really hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful DIY, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.